Hey guys, this will be my analysis on market structure, GPUSD. So you can all see that my trade is only on profit as of now. The trade is on profit as of now. So we'll start with making analysis. Let me first by deleting all this. Um, Let me first by deleting my analysis. Then I'll start from beginning again. So dropping down to the daily time frame, we have we have the market that's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You can see that. Surely we can all see that the market has been in a strong uptrend. Understand? So first of all, we'll do mark out our daily highs. Mark out the daily high and mark out a support level. You can see support level at this point. We can also see that there's a reaction at this point, a reaction at this point, a reaction at this point, and also you can see that there's a reaction at this point also. So also mark out our reversal points and do it. So we have to run to the forward time frame. Jumping down to a forward time frame, you can also see at from this point, market was formed after this double top here. We can also see market was forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we can see the drop up down to this level here, down to the support level here. So we have to mark out our support levels. Marking out the support level, guys. You can now draw down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see there was a steep downtrend here, forming lower lower highs at this point. At this point, you can confirm that there's a steep downtrend here. And there was a news that came up on Thursday. Okay, it's on Thursday. I think on Friday on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I think so. That caused this change of character here. This strip of liquidity here that caused this change of character here. So, and it actually broke out of our channel. You can see this channel has been containing a trend for some time, and finally it broke out, causing a change of character with the strip of liquidity. So, dropping down to 30 minutes time frame. Dropping down to 30 minutes time frame. This was where the change of character happened. This was where the change of character happened. And then we'll mark out our order block. This is where I saw another block around this point. Another block was around this point. And so I can see that a kind of a pattern is forming at this point. I can see a pattern forming at this point. And also I'll mark out a strong level at this point also. Mark out this level. And I took my buy from around this point. My entry from here. And this is my TP1. This is my TP1. My stop loss below this level here. TP1. And I can also mark out this level too. This is where this place where we might likely see reversals. So that's why I mark out those levels. As of now, I'll show this warning about 1:2 now at least. So guys, that's my analysis on GBP USD. Thank you guys. Guys, this is my analysis on GBP AUD. So we can all see that my TP has been hit successfully. My TP has been hit. So I think I should clear out these trend lines and then start from beginning again. Okay, now the trend lines are all cleared. We have to start from the daily. From the daily, we can all see there has been a strong, massive move for the last 5 months though. But however, you can now see that there's a consolidation around this area, guys. A consolidation around this area. So the market has kind of a consolidation around this area. So what we're expecting is that essentially we'll dive in and see and then the next market move. So first of all, market at daily highs and then at daily lows. Daily lows. You can also mark out this level here. And then this level here. This might be our reversal levels. So guys, what we have to do is also mark out this level. Mark out level, and then we can now drop down to the forward time frame. The forward time frame. And we can all see at the forward time frame there was a strong rotation at this point, massive strong rotation from this level. Just marked out the level here at this point. So there was no strong, there was no, it's almost like a consolidation. So buyers were coming, sellers were coming, buyers were coming, sellers were coming. but we can also see that sellers have been trying to dominate the market, but buyers has been keeping hold of the market still. So well, we can also see when the market reaches this level, you can see that there was a strong bullish candle. The market failed to break below and rejected, and you can see the breaking market broke back into this level, creating a fake out, which caused many traders to lose their money. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, you can also see, guys, this is a strong bullish candle confirming that there has been a new change in direction and market broke back into this level. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there was a change of character at this point, guys. A change of character. I think I should name this. So guys, we can all see from this point there was a change of character from this point. A change of character from this point and a break of structure. Understand? Confirming a new move in the market in new direction in the market after this steep downtrend. After this steep downtrend here, so you can see it was this change of character and a break of structure was confirming a new change in the movement of the market. And also we can see that this 50 MA exponential moving average also was also taking giving support to the market at this point. Understand? You can see it went from being above the market to now below the market, so giving the market support. Understand? Just see the moving average as a resistance when the market was dropping, and then at this point you tend to support. So once I saw that, then when I saw the strong bullish candle moving back inside the level, and I saw the chain of character, I just waited for a strong break of structure, for a break of structure. Then then uh, that's when I saw this break, this bullish break. Understand? This high broke this previous high, creating a break of structure. So what I did was just to drop down to the 30 minutes time frame and wait for a pattern at the 30 minutes time frame. Waited for a pattern to drop back and take out another block at this point. So as soon as I saw this pattern, I just set my buy to around here, and then my stop loss below this low at this around this point. Then my TP, I forgot to mark out a certain level at this point. At this level, so my TP should be around this level. At this that's almost 1:2, so 1:2 point something. So that was a good risk to reward, guys. A good risk to reward, guys. So I believe this has been a great learning, great way to learn for you guys. Please, if you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button to motivate me to share more of this content. Thank you, guys. Good day, everyone. This is a new video on understanding market structure and candlesticks, on how to use candlesticks. So first of all, this is how I use my this is how I start my analysis. Mark out the daily high and a daily low, guys. I have to mark out the daily low also, guys, and then mark out the daily low and then mark out our strong support and resistance levels. So you can see at this point there has been a strong rejection at this point. Mark out the level. Another rejection at this point, guys. Injection at this point. And then I think okay. That region has been marked already. And then you can see another strong support level at this point. And then I think we can see another support level at this point. So guys, we can all see that market has from this point market is making higher lows, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, and market has come for a higher low again, and then we are waiting for another higher high. So guys, we can all see that from this point, whenever market took support at a support level, there's always been a strong bearish candle. You see this strong bull candle that is covering this massive selling candle, showing that there's enough buyers in the market. Even if market retested again, when the market retested again, we can see and there was mostly a strong buying candle. So at this point again, we can see now retest at this point. Understand? You can see we can see a hammer candle at this point, a hammer candle, and then we can see the strong bullish candle at this point too. So guys, and if you notice, there is almost seems like a consolidation around that area. So probably there's a strong buying, we're expecting a strong move towards the upside. So rather, we're going to expecting a strong move towards the upside. So I think that is for the daily time frame. I have to drop down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, guys. Well, 4 hour time frame, guys. From this point, I think let's arrange this stuff. 4 hour time frame at this point, guys, we can see that you can see very clearly that the market broke above this resistance to make support, and we can see this is double bottom, guys. That's a double bottom, a clear double bottom, a clear double bottom. So what I'm going to go today is strong buy since there's been all the way up here, there has been buy momentum. So now that market has given us a strong confirmation towards the upside, we're going to see we're going to expect a strong buy towards the upside now. So guys, after market another level, guys. Okay, this is where I'm hoping to take my TP. So I'll be taking my buys from this point, and buys from this point, and then my stop loss below this point, and then I will take my TP all the way to the upside, all the way to the upside, guys, all the way to the upside, So I think this is how I mark out my double. This is how I mark out my double bottoms. So this is how I mark out my double bottoms. So guys, this is my analysis on Euro AUD. So first of all, my strategy is marking out zones. Once you once you know the structure of the market, you mark out your zones. After marking your zones, you find candlestick patterns, strong candlestick formations that can actually prove your bias on the market direction. So that's how I came up with this analysis. So thank you guys. So we'll be going on to our next pair in the market.
Okay, guys. I'm making analysis on Euro USD, guys. Euro USD. So from what you can all see here that Euro USD has been on a strong, massive bullish move. So much on a strong bullish move. So at this point, we're looking to only take buys from this point. So we'll mark out our low from this point. Also mark out our highs from this point. Then we also mark out our support levels, our support and resistance levels. Then again, consider our level at this point, and another level at this point. It's a strong, massive levels at this point. So also mark out this level clearly so that it will be seen clearly. I'm currently on this trade, guys. I'm currently on this trade. So on the daily, we can clearly see support level, and we see this weak rejection. It gets market has come to clear whatever failed gap it has it, and then show back up, and then you can see that after this rejection counter here, there was a strong bullish move. It broke this high. It broke this high here. So the red candle before this strong bullish move. So sorry guys, the red candle before this strong bullish move. We'll just wait for market to retrace towards that same level again, towards the red candle again, before seek for another entry. So that's what I did, guys. That's what I did, guys. So what I waited for, was market to retrace back into that level, and then I took my buys TP1 at this point, my stop loss below this low at this point, and my TP2 should be around this point. So that's, guys. So that's my analysis on Euro USD. That's my analysis on Euro USD. So thank you, guys. Peace.